Welcome to today's deep dive. We're looking at some spec sheets from HDTVSupply for the HuddleCamHD Go. And well, our mission today is really to use this one device to understand a much larger shift, how portable tech is basically replacing the traditional boardroom.
It really is.
You know that feeling when you're on the road and suddenly you have to host a professional multi-person meeting right out of a cramped hotel room?
Oh, absolutely.
Usually it's a total nightmare of everyone awkwardly huddling around a single laptop camera, trying not to look like you're broadcasting from a closet.
Yeah, it's the classic road warrior dilemma. I mean, we expect this corporate level professional quality, but we only have access to whatever actually fits in our carry-on luggage.
Right.
So the source material we're digging into today, which is a product page for a $164 portable conference camera, shows exactly how designers are trying to bridge that gap.
Okay, but if we're expecting corporate level quality, I'm picturing like a heavy, bulky lens and a massive tripod. So how does something capable of doing all that actually fit in a carry-on?
Well, the physical footprint is arguably its most critical feature. The specs outline a device that's just 2.8 by 9.2 by 2.8 inches.
Wait, really? That's surprisingly compact.
Yeah, and it weighs just 1.9 pounds in the package.
It's basically the exact footprint of a travel coffee mug or like a thermos.
Exactly.
You could just toss that in your backpack without a second thought. And it's replacing a whole room full of AV gear while still shooting in full 1920 by 1080 HD resolution.
Right. That resolution provides a really solid baseline. But honestly, the real engineering trick here is the field of view. It's 110 degrees.
Okay, why does that specific number matter so much?
Well, think about a standard laptop webcam. It has a very narrow, restrictive lens meant for just one face.
Right, so everyone has to squeeze in real close.
Exactly. But at 110 degrees, you can have 3 or 4 people sitting around a tiny hotel desk, and the hardware actively compensates for that tight space. Everyone just fits into the frame seamlessly.
That makes a lot of sense. But if I'm throwing this in my bag, the absolute last thing I want is a tangle of power bricks and adapters. Plus, nobody wants to be installing software 5 minutes before a big meeting.
Oh, for sure. And the connectivity leans entirely into that required portability. It relies on a single mini USB to USB 2.0 connection.
Just one cable.
Just one. That one cable handles both the data transfer and the power supply simultaneously.
Oh, nice. So we're eliminating the bulky power supply entirely.
Yep, along with the software setup. It uses Universal Video Class or UVC compatibility.
What does that mean in practice?
It basically means it relies on the universal video protocols that are already built into your computer's operating system.
Ah, okay.
The moment you plug it in, it negotiates with your system directly rather than forcing you to download, custom drivers. It just works instantly with virtually any supported video software.
Okay, I have to admit I'm a bit skeptical here. Every single time someone uses a quote-unquote built-in mic on a portable device, it sounds like they are broadcasting from inside a tin can.
Yeah, that's a common issue.
So why wouldn't this do the exact same thing, especially in a group setting?
Well, the designers clearly anticipated that concern. The spec sheet shows it features a built-in omnidirectional microphone designed to pick up voices evenly from all sides.
Okay.
But the critical part is the integrated audio processing. It's actively running echo cancellation and noise suppression.
So it's filtering out like the hum of the hotel air conditioner in the background while isolating the voices?
Exactly. It's separating the noise from the signal to ensure clarity. And, it also addresses the human error side of things.
How so?
It has physical video and audio indicator lights right on the unit. Instead of scrambling through your laptop software settings to find the mic control, it has integrated volume and mute buttons directly on the camera itself.
Oh, that's great to prevent those awkward you're on mute moments.
Precisely.
So bringing this all together, you are looking at a $164 plug-and-play meeting solution backed by a 3-year warranty. It really proves just how mature on-the-go meeting tech has become.
It does. And the value of that simplicity really stands out when you look at the user reviews on the HDTVSupply site.
What are people saying?
Well, one user wrote in about their complex LAN cameras. These are fixed cameras tied to a building's local network that often require an entire IT team just to keep them running.
Oh, right, because they're always break-in.
Yeah, they constantly drop connections or auto-delete settings.
Yeah.
But this UVC device offers the exact opposite experience. It's entirely friction-free.
Which leaves you with a pretty fascinating thought to mull over. As this plug-and-play hardware gets smarter, cheaper, and way more portable, is the traditional, massively expensive corporate conference room eventually going to disappear entirely? Like, could the high-end boardroom of the future just be wherever you happen to set down your bag,